This is a used 2008 Mazda 6 Zoom Zoom, powered by front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder engine, and a 5-speed automatic transmission. The features include steering wheel controls, aluminum rims, tilt and telescopic steering wheel, a spoiler, an alarm system, power seats, cruise control, keyless entry, privacy glass, air conditioning. Safety was made a priority with these features: curtain head airbags, side airbags, independent suspension, traction control, a passenger airbag, low tire pressure warning. Be confident in your purchase with an AutoCheck Vehicle History Report, the industry's trusted vehicle history provider. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact us. River Valley Ford is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is a pleasant one. We are located at 850 Fern Drive, Baldwin, Wisconsin, 54002.